Hundreds of clinics are popping up all over the country offering unapproved and potentially dangerous stem cell treatments.
Earlier this year, we reported on a clinic in Walnut Creek that was recruiting patients through free lunch seminars.
Now, KPIX 5's Medina found another clinic doing the same thing in San Jose.
I was excited.
When Deborah Hernandez attended a free lunch seminar about a stem cell treatment earlier this year, she became filled with hope that it might be the long-sought cure for her back pain. It was held at the Advanced Health Center in San Jose, run by two chiropractor brothers, Brian and Jeff Coyle. She signed up on the spot and says Dr. Coyle recommended she start her treatment by taking some tests.
He estimated it to be about $2,500.
All Deborah had was a pet insurance card for her cat with a $500 limit.
And he says, well, let me see if I can get it increased for you. And he says, well, yeah, we just got you up to $2,500 limit.
Soon the tab started adding up. $649 for blood analysis, $649 for hormone testing, and another $649 for a hair specimen.
It was like about this size of a big chunk of hair that he removed from the back of my head with an office pair of orange scissors.
And when the results came back,
If I didn't get help right now, I was 1 foot in the grave.
she says Dr. Coyle pushed her to continue with a nutrition program that was going to be another $3,000. At that point, with no money left to spend, Deborah stopped going to the Advanced Health Center, never receiving the stem cell treatment she originally enrolled for. But others have, like Marilyn Kirchhoff, who also attended a free lunch seminar.
These guys are really slick. You know, I'm not a stupid person, believe me. But that seminar, oh my God, they put all of these things up there, and you believe them.
She spent $13,000 on stem cell injections, obtained, according to the company's website, from amniotic fluid, and touted as able to actually restore degenerated tissue while providing pain relief.
They tell you you wouldn't be expected to see anything for about 6 weeks, and it may take a lot longer. And I got nothing. I got nothing out of it.
She says she was also talked into another $15 grand for a back therapy called Vax-D that she says made her back worse instead of better. Her total bill, $28,000.
It's the amount of money that we're talking about. It's not $500. It's thousands and thousands of dollars. So that's very debilitating.
What does hope mean to you?
The lab that manufactured the stem cell injections that Marilyn received, called Surgenex, is based in Scottsdale, Arizona. It boasts that it's pioneering the next generation of medicine, leveraging unprecedented quality, safety, and value. We checked. Surgenex is registered with the Food and Drug Administration, but it appears the lab has never been inspected. And as the company discloses on its website, none of the currently marketed birth tissue-derived therapies are approved by the FDA. The FDA put out this video warning consumers about unapproved stem cell therapies that are illegal and potentially harmful. One woman went blind, 12 others got life-threatening infections. The FDA has stepped up enforcement, but has cited only a handful of manufacturers. It's something that frustrates this researcher.
I think the legitimate excitement about treating diseases with stem cells has led to some rather nefarious activities.
Arnold Kriegstein runs the Eli and Edith Broad Center of Regeneration Medicine at UCSF, one of the premier stem cell labs in the country. Research at UCSF covers many diseases that currently have no cure.
We're talking about major sources of disability for millions of people.
UCSF has already spun 4 startups that have applied for or are currently beginning FDA-approved clinical trials.
They range from liver regeneration to treating diabetes, heart disease, nervous system disorders.
But getting to an approved clinical trial is a slow process. 15 years in the making at UCSF that clinics like Advanced Health Center have not gone through. Neither company responded to our calls for comment, but we were able to catch up with Dr. Jeff Coyle.
Dr. Coyle,
Maria Medina with KPIX. Can you tell us why you're selling illegal, unapproved stem cells? We've left you several messages and you have not called us back. Dr. Coyle, can you please tell us why?
People like me need to know about this. Wait, don't do it.
These are not good people. They're out for your money, and that's all that they're interested in.
Now, the FDA is giving manufacturers of unapproved stem cell products another year to get legal and register for what's known as an investigational new drug approval, but the agency is already cracking down. Just this month, it sent a warning letter to a Southern California lab, citing it for unsafe practices. We are posting that warning letter and other helpful information for patients on KPIX.com.